I made it through, and I can't tell how I did it. But one thing I know, Jehovah took it over, and that is how I made it through. Can we all sing and say?
And I believe that every woman, when you lose your husband, you still have the ability and the potential to be able to work and become independent and be able to take care of your children. It's the same thing with a man who loses a loved one. And maybe she was the breadwinner, because nowadays you can have women who are breadwinners and the men are also supporting. When you are left in such a gap, sometimes you are lost and exposed and you don't know what to do. My mother was a widow. The struggles I went through, I know them very well. And when I look at all these wonderful women in red coming to celebrate love at your 6th anniversary, I can only imagine what you may have gone through. But you know that is the past. You have a hope, you have a future. And there is a God who is saying, I am the husband to the widow and the father to the fatherless.
Without economic empowerment and social protection, many widows are treated, and children are treated as economic burdens to their families and by their families. They lose their rights and property to inheritance, and that is why under the administration of the Kenya Kwanza, in the President's 9-point agenda on women, land rights is listed there, succession, spousal consent. It's a key tenet that my department has been tasked by His Excellency to ensure that we look into it.
Sing and say, I made it through.